Hi everybody, so we are live. It's about time because I was talking to myself before and it wasn't live, and I sat there and I was talking, and I really got to learn this stuff. It's just that I don't always have time to learn this software stuff. But anyway, 90-day challenge starts today. I'm going to explain that as I stream live here. So this is going to be trading. It's like an online vlog, whatever you want to call it, for a live trading account. And I'm always getting asked how much money should traders start with, and it's going to be up to the individual, in the sense where what are your goals? Of course, if you don't have a good strategy and you're trading more, then of course you could lose more, vice versa. So definitely want to have a trading strategy. But the reason I chose the $4,000 amount is because the average account is within that $4,000 realm. Okay, that traders start in Forex to trade their own account. Now, most of these accounts are destroyed within the first couple months of trading. So there's a right way and a wrong way to do everything. Now, trading is one of those things that you're never going to truly master. But you can somewhat master yourself. And the reason I say somewhat is because a long string of wins can lead you in a situation where your ego gets inflated and it's almost like you're back to square one. So ego can be a dangerous thing in trading. I like to keep myself on the sidelines and just say I have not mastered it, and that's that. The markets are the markets. Okay, so I'm just going to talk about today's trade here. I'm right around my entry level here. It took an Aussie long. We had a big gap down here. I didn't take that. So just took a trade here long. This is not necessarily a moving average trade. It's something that I've been watching and doing a lot of research on. We'll see if I'm right. To think that a trader must be right 80% of the time, 75% of the time is absolute nonsense. Some traders are right 40% of the time, are some of the best, and some of the best traders. Some traders are right 85% of the time, and some of the best traders. Some traders are right 85% of the time and lose and destroy their account because they let those few losers ride. It really doesn't matter. Except let those winners ride. More winners than losers. What's the end result at the end of the day? There's some studies that they say came out where it's showing that traders are losing a ton, and even that top 10% is really not making much money. And this was, I don't know, something that came out from Brazil. I didn't read it thoroughly because I know traders who day trade and they do very, very well. So I just don't get it. And look, success is in the eye of the beholder. What are you going to do? What are you going to sacrifice in order to become successful? It's something that is entirely up to you. I've been doing this a while. I am not claiming to be the super guru. I am just saying I'm going to have some fun here, trading, posting my trades, posting some live trades here, and, got an IB account. That's where I put now. The reason I didn't make it just a Forex account, I want the flexibility of trading futures. If it's Forex only, how am I going to trade gold? What if I wanted to place a trade in, let's say, options, the stock market's falling? I believe a futures account is the best. Okay, so that's me. Some people are just happy to just trade Forex. So this here is an MT4. I'll eventually figure out how to show the IB. But I'm taking it here for demonstration purposes, and then also in the 90-day challenge account simultaneously. May not be the exact fill price because for example, the Aussie US dollar is a Forex trade here, and it is a futures trade in the other account, in the IB account, so it still follows the Aussie dollar, but it may be off a few points. But instead of entering, at, let's say 66.04, maybe you're entering at 66.10 or 66.8, but that's the future price. But then when you get out, it also varies, but it still reflects the same pricing. So if you're getting, let's say 30 pips here, maybe you'll get 28 pips there in the future. So I'm actually putting myself at a slight disadvantage, but it really doesn't matter because, like I said, I want the ability to do futures. So hope that makes sense. I'll keep this up. I'll stream it for a little bit, keep the charts going. I'll put a little bit of music on, and I'll be back a little bit later. So right now, long Aussie dollar. And this is the first stream. Join us. I hope you are able to benefit from watching the 90-day challenge. And I hope you can, get some sort of a understanding of what we do as traders. Take care. Sure.
I set up.
Got my son here with me here, just asking local questions. You want to watch that video? This is another great thing about trading. We bought a zoo.
So,
Okay, we did watch this already. You know that, right?
yeah, but
Want to watch it again?
Yeah.
That's fine. See if you could set it up. He's setting up a DVD.
I set all the connections over here.
Okay.
I basically finished it.
All right. Well, it looks like you're doing a good job.
I know, because I'm an artist in TV.
Okay, good.
I should probably work in a TV shop.
TV shop. All right. He wants to work in a TV shop.
So I can fix the TVs.
All right. Yeah, right now only up a couple pips, but hey, this is not something, and I don't want, people to think that this is a scalping trade. It's not a scalping trade. This is something that I've entered here, and the entry here that I have is for a trade based on a 30-minute time frame. Some of the upper time frames, I don't plan on holding it for very long, but you never know if it turns into an overnight trade. That's kind of what I'm looking for at this point. So I'm not going to call it a swing trade, but I'm going to say that if it looks good, I'm going to go with it. All right. So once again, long here. And hope you enjoy it. Maybe I'll just put this on mute until I figure out how to get the music up. Okay.
Sorry, people. Okay, now you can talk. Sorry.
It's okay. That's okay. Don't worry. I'm going to put this on mute here. Thanks for bearing with us here, because definitely new to this here. This is what's great about trading. Like I said, once again, the ability to do what you want when you want. It's spectacular. Okay, I figured out how to. I'm just gonna mute this for now.